If you need to make some extra money and you have a phone, I have 8 apps for you. So these apps are gonna help you make some extra money and they're completely free to start. So this video, I'm gonna run through these 8 apps pretty quick. So if you wanna learn more about a specific app, leave it in the comments below. And make sure you like this video and you're subscribing to the channel so that I know that this is content that you enjoy that I should keep making. So the first app we're talking about today is OnMyWay. And I think this app is pretty cool. Now, as crazy as this might sound, this app literally pays you to not use your phone while driving. So basically the way this app works is you download it, and once you start driving or start going a certain speed, the app's gonna register that you're driving. And the app is there to just make sure that you're not using Instagram, TikTok, watching YouTube videos, or texting while you're driving. However, you still can receive and make calls. That's not gonna prevent you from getting paid with this app. So essentially, if you don't use any apps that are gonna distract you while you're driving, you're gonna get paid. So this app is kind of a win-win because 1, it promotes good driving habits, keeping you alive, and 2, it's gonna pay you for doing that. So this is how you get paid with this app. Once you sign up, you're gonna receive $100 right away. And then after that, you get paid 5 cents for every mile that you drive undistracted. So let's say that you simply drive 5,000 miles a year, which really isn't that much. Most people drive a lot more than that. That's less than 100 miles every single week. You're literally gonna get paid $250 for that entire year for doing something that you're already doing. I don't know about you, but I'm at the point in my life still where if someone were to give me 250 bucks, I wouldn't reject it. Now, before we move on, there is one more way you can make money through this app, and that is through referring friends. So every time you refer a friend and that friend signs up for the app, you get paid $2 extra, which isn't a lot, but then you get paid an extra 2 cents for every mile that friend drives undistracted. So that can add up really quick if you just get a couple of your friends to download the app and then you all just drive safe. It just makes sense. And so in the description below, I left a link. Sign up for the app, give it a try, and earn some extra money driving safe. The second app we're talking about is Zogo. This app is pretty cool because you literally get paid to increase your financial literacy, to basically learn things about finance. So again, this app's a win-win because 1, you get to increase your financial literacy and learn more, and 2, you get paid to do it. Normally it's the opposite. Normally people pay to go to school or to learn things. So in this app, once you complete certain educational tasks, you get pineapples, which is like the currency within the app. So then these pineapples can then be redeemed for cash or other prizes. Honestly, I have spent so much of my time learning about finance topics and financial literacy, and I wish I would have been paid for it. So now this isn't gonna be life-changing money for you. And on this app, you can really only expect to make about $5 an hour. But again, remember that you don't just get the money, you also get the financial literacy, which most people are trying to learn anyways. And honestly, that financial knowledge is gonna help you save and make more money in the long run anyways. So it's definitely worth trying out. All right, the third and next app we're talking about is called BeMyEye. So the idea behind this app is that you complete short missions on your phone and you make money. So the app works pretty simply. Basically, they partner with big companies like Coca-Cola or Nestle or Levi or whatever it might be to do these certain missions for the company. And when you download the app, you can even select which missions you want to do. And once you select a mission, that mission will tell you exactly what you need to do. So the missions for this app can range from anywhere from taking pictures of certain shelves at stores, taking pictures of billboards, or scanning barcodes, being mystery shopper, things like that. So ultimately, the tasks are pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and each mission you can expect to make anywhere between $3 and $15. All right, app number 4 I've talked about before on this channel, and this app is 1Q. So 1Q is a survey app. Now before you go to the next side hustle, hear me out, let me tell you about it. I have completed hours of surveys for money, and I have used dozens of different websites, different apps to make money doing this. And I can tell you that most of them pay you pretty much nothing. Sometimes the surveys will take 20-30 minutes and they'll give you like a quarter. 100% not worth it. But 1Q is the one survey app that I've tried that I continue to use because I think it's well worth it. The great thing about this app is that it doesn't take a ton of your time. The survey questions generally last seconds, and they'll pay you anywhere between 25 cents and $3 in my experience. So far on this app, I've made $12.50, answering about 12 questions total. That's about $1.04 every single question. And most of the questions didn't take more than 30 seconds. So the great thing about this app is that the survey questions are really short and you get paid pretty well to answer them. So if you're interested in trying out OneQ, look in the description below. I left a link where you can sign up for this app. All right, so we have 4 more apps we're gonna talk about. And these 4 apps are basically gonna pay you for doing things that you're already doing. And so the 5th app we're talking about today is called Receipt Jar. So the way this app works is that it pays you for taking pictures of your receipts for things that you're already buying. So just snap a picture of your grocery receipt, or you went out and bought new clothes, just snap a picture. And once you do that, you earn rewards points on the app, which then can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. The more expensive the receipt, the more points you're gonna get through the app. For example, if you spend $10, that's about 5 points, $50 is then 10 points, and $100 spent is about 15 points on the app. Now, it's definitely not a great idea to spend more than you're normally spending just to take pictures of receipts and get more points on this app. Not worth it in that sense. But your everyday purchases that you're already making, it's worth the 5-10 seconds it takes to pull out your phone, snap a picture of your receipt. All right, moving on to the next app, we're talking about Pogo. Not Zogo, like we talked about before, but Pogo. Now, this app is pretty similar to Receipt Jar, except it's a lot more passive. So what you do is you link your credit cards or your debit cards or what you spend money on to this app. And the app is then gonna automatically record transactions for money spent using these cards. So basically you connect your transactional data and you get rewards for it. Similar to Receipt Jar, the only difference is that you don't need to manually snap a picture. It records everything automatically. And everything's in the background, so it doesn't really take a lot of your time. It's pretty passive. The other benefit of this app is that it sees what you're spending money on normally, and it will look for ways to help you save money. The way the app makes money and pays you is that it essentially compiles all of your data, and then it sells it to market researchers. All right, next app we're talking about is Shopkick. Similar to Receipt Jar and Zogo, this app is gonna pay you to shop or for buying your groceries. Now, the reason I include this app because it's a little different, and there's a couple of different ways that you can get paid using this app. The first way is that you can simply get paid walking into a store. The app's gonna recognize when you walk into a Target or walk into a Walmart, and you're gonna get points for it. The second way is to do little missions like scanning barcodes so that the store knows that the products are in the right place and things like that. And then the third way is to scan your receipts, just snap a picture similar to a Receipt Jar, and you get points for rewards or cash for doing that as well. Now, just walking into this store, that's about 10 points worth of rewards, and $2 is about equivalent to 500 kicks or 500 points. So you're not gonna get a whole lot of money for just walking into stores, but you gotta do it anyways. Like, you gotta get your groceries, so you're just getting paid for something that you're already doing, which is great. Final side hustle we're talking about today is Roadie. So I love getting paid for things that I'm already doing. A lot of these apps help you do that. This one especially. So this app is gonna pay you by taking trips that you're already taking, by delivering something along the way. So you're delivering things like packages or food the same day, not people. So once you download the app, you can open it and you can look, and it's gonna tell you what deliveries are available around the route that you're already going. So say that you commute, 20-30 minutes to work, and every day on your way home from work, you just deliver something using Roadie. So with this app, you're gonna know exactly how much you're getting paid, the exact details of the trip before you accept it. Most trips are gonna pay you $8 to $50 per delivery. However, there are bigger or longer trips that might be more out of your way that are gonna pay a lot more, up to $650. So let's say that you commute 10 to 30 minutes to work every day, and on your way home, you decide to use Roadie and you deliver one thing every day on your way home from work. That could be an extra $15 every day for just a little bit of extra time on your way home. Instead of a 20-30 minute commute, maybe it's, a 40-45 minute commute, but you get paid an extra $15. And that $15 is easily gonna cover the cost of gas and essentially help you drive for free. All right, so there you have it. Those are the 8 apps that are gonna help you make extra money today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, smash the like button. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.